Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're going to be dropping back in on Rollercoin. So they've released a couple of big updates and maybe even an update that you have not spotted. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are back in Rollercoin, and like I say, they have released a few updates, and I think possibly an update that some of you might not have even spotted. Anyway, so start off with obviously my account. Not a whole lot has happened in the way of the power. We're still only working with two rooms at the moment. Obviously in the new apartment, once you do the upgrade to the new apartment, you do get a third room free, and then if you do really well by miners, you can actually unlock a fourth room. But yeah, we're just working on that second room, just a few spots to fill, and hopefully that will be happening soon. We also are up to a nearly up to a withdrawal of Bitcoin, nearly up to 100,000 there. We're at 470 Doge, so we are going to be doing a withdrawal today as well, and we are at 1 million Ethereum. But for those of you that didn't catch it, Rollercoin have said you are better at the moment to basically put your withdrawals of Ethereum on hold, because currently, and we do know this from other programs, the Ethereum gas fees or the transaction fees are so high at the moment. They're basically saying, just like dual mining is saying, if you want to withdraw Ethereum right now, then you are going to have to pay that gas fee. And in some places, and at some times during the day, those gas fees can be as high as £15 to make one withdrawal. So like what I suggest is the same thing that Rollercoin suggests, is Ethereum, just put it on your back burner at the moment. Maybe even stop mining it and just wait until those fees drop, or continue to mine it and just wait again for those fees to drop. Okay, so one of the big updates is here, and you can see it here. Tether is now in the list of coins, and they are also having a 14% off sale on USD and Doge deposits. So I'm guessing what that means is that any fees that you incur depositing in here, they are going to be making that 14% less on your deposits. That's sort of how I understand it anyway. If I'm wrong, then let me know. Just stick it in the comments below. But I think that is how or what they're doing. Okay, so like I say, at the moment, Tether is there in the list, but we are not able to mine Tether currently. But as when Dogecoin and Ethereum were put into our wallets, it was actually quite a few months before we were able to mine that. So what I'm trying to say is that now Tether is in that list. At some point in the future, you will be able to mine that if you wish to. Okay, so anyway, let's go and quickly do a Doge withdrawal, just for those people that are not sure how to do it or have never seen a withdrawal before. So we just, I always do this. We're meant to go in here, aren't we? So click Doge, and then we go withdraw. Okay. So what you do is you put your withdrawal wallet address in here, and then you click confirm that that is your wallet address, and then you just type in how many Doge you want to withdraw, or whatever coin you are withdrawing, how much you want to withdraw, and then click confirm. That will send you, give you, say that they're going to send you an email, which is a confirmation link, which you must click in 30 minutes or it will expire, as it does say there. Okay, so this is basically what your confirmation email will look like, and you just click the confirm withdrawal. That will basically open up another Rollercoin window. And this is why I have said in previous videos, you do need to make sure that you are logged into your Rollercoin account before clicking on the confirmation email. It just makes it a bit of a smoother transition from clicking the confirmation to getting it confirmed in their system. I found in the past, if I wasn't logged in and then I clicked on it, sometimes it didn't work. So basically I would advise, make sure you are logged into your Rollercoin account before you click on that link. Okay, so it says that they've confirmed the withdrawal. So I will just close my previous tab there. I've also just logged out of my email account, and as you can see now, if we look at the Doge, we now only got 0.6334 where we did add 470 previous to that. Okay, so now the other big update, which I'm not sure how many of you guys would have spotted this, because I don't know how often you guys go and check the My Power section. Now this is an update that I have been wanting to come to Rollercoin almost straight from the very first time I started it, because not only for older members but for new members this is going to be absolutely massive and really help you boost your accounts really quick and get yourself earning and buying those miners a lot faster than you can now. But before we get into that, I just want to say, for those people that are not familiar with what Rollercoin is, as you can see, it is a virtual cloud mining site, but the great thing is you do not need to put any sort of investment into this program. You can play these games. If you click on there, play the games, and each game you play, and as you progress through the levels, you will earn more and more mining power. So essentially, as long as you keep playing those games, you can mine for free. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier video. Go and check that out. That is going to give you more information, a better idea of how the program works and what you need to be doing to basically get your account up and running and earning yourself some good coins. Okay, so make sure you check that out. Link in the description. Okay, so on to this big update that I'm talking about that I think a lot of you might have missed is if we go into the mining power, you can now mine RLT. So before, obviously, the only way you could get RLT to purchase the miners, like the good miners, like these gold miners, not these multicolored ones, but the gold miners, and like the specialty miners like the Jacko miner, the Santa Slay miner, all those, the only way you could get them is if you converted your coins such as your BTC, your Doge, your Ethereum into RLT. Well, now you can actually mine RLT, and I'll tell you why this is going to help you new guys. Is basically what my advice is as soon as you start playing, come into the My Power, click on this. I've not changed well, I've changed it up to 10%. I am actually going to be changing that to 50%. I'm going to have 50% on whatever coin I am mining, and I'm going to have 50% in RLT, because that is going to allow me to start buying more and more of those new miners. Obviously, I'm very surprised that Rollercoin has never done this before now, because obviously, as all programs, you know, getting your members to reinvest into the program is always a good policy, but they're doing it now, so that's great. So anyway, what I was saying about new members, what I would suggest you do, as soon as you start playing, obviously you've got to be a bit patient. How can I put it? Be aware that this program is paying. I've done tons of payment proofs, so you can check them out. If you look through my channel, you see no end of payment proofs for this, so don't worry about getting your money out or thinking you've got to rush to get your money out or get any money out. So what I'm saying is, anyway, for new members, come straight in here and put RLT as 100%. 100%. So then all that mining power that you are using, that you are building, playing those games, that is going into building RLT. And then as soon as you get to 17 RLT, you can go and buy yourself a new miner. You can go and buy yourself one of the lower powered miners. If you go into the shop here, you can see there 14,000. So that's 1.4 gigahash, 1.4 terahash rather. No, 14 terahash. Yeah, 14 terahash. You can get for 17 RLT. So if you do that, if you put 100% mining on RLT for you new guys or girls. Anyway, if new members put 100% onto RLT, you will start being able to purchase these miners really quickly. That is my advice. Once you've got yourself a few miners under your belt, then start mining another coin. Maybe, like I'm suggesting, do it at 50%. So if you want to get yourself some Ethereum, some USDT when you can mine it, some Doge, or even some BTC, I would say set it at 50%. I know it's going to build your coins slowly, but what it means is that you're still going to be able to buy those new miners. And the more power you've got, the more coins you're going to be able to earn. So even though it might look like you're not earning much to begin with, every time you get yourself a new miner, by leaving it at that 50%, every time you get yourself a new miner, the amount of coins you are earning is going to go up, and it's just going to keep going up. But getting those miners, as you can see, is massively important. So and also what that means is that eventually, like myself, you will get to the point that you will not need to play these games. I haven't played these games in months, absolutely months. I haven't played these games because I've got enough power to allow me to just let it build coins. So like I say, for those of you that haven't spotted it, that is absolutely brilliant. That is a great update that Rollercoin have brought to us, so we can now mine RLT, and that is going to get you building and your accounts and earning more coins, because you can buy more miners. So anyway, I'm going to leave that there. I hope you enjoyed that quick update. For those of you that, like I say, are interested in those earlier videos, check them out in the description. And if you can smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.